The firework I just saw. The firework. Alright, where's the firework? Hi, it's me, Hadiel. We just saw firework. So, you just met one. Well, you can see it all the way over there. We won't go outside. But hold on. I'll be right back. I forgot something. Alrighty, let's go. I think we have a chance to see fireworks, I think. Hopefully. Well, I can actually see. Oh, there's the other name. You cannot really see it, but over here. Whoa! Whoa, there's more, there's more, there's more! Look at all these. Mama, come, hurry! Look at these fireworks. Okay, oh, I think it's coming.
Oh, my beautiful one.
Mom, do you want to see the show or no? Do you want to be in the camera? Okay. Okay. So, and over there, there's a bit of. There's a pool over there. You cannot really see it. Oh yeah, this is the lights, the candle lights over here. Look, there's the other firework. Yeah. Can you see it? I don't. Where are we? Where are we? Focus camera. That's the firework, the big red dot. See the big red dot changing color? That's fine. Anyways, we might have a chance. Let me go back. Oh god, this is my mom. Oh man! Whoa, 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 whoa! That came out of nowhere. Oh. So I'm gonna stay here a bit more, 5 minutes, I think. Whoa! I just saw a light. What? Whoa! Ooh, pretty! Whoa! 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 That is cool. Anyways, this is so cool. There's a firework all over. Over here. Ew. We can see over here, but you can't. Look, see over here, the big thing I just showed you. Anyway, we're gonna wait. Anyways, look, the moon. There's a big moon. Moon. Why looks like a jelly bean? That's the moon. Well, there's a firework over here, so you can take a look. You see the firework? Whoa! I saw it's finished, but it's not. Anyway, this is so cool. Maybe you could tell your parents about, like, to see, look, there's a firework coming. Yeah. Anyway, well, it should be calm. I'll be right. I'm gonna pause it right there, and then I will record there. Whoa! 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 Is it still recording? Oh!
Beautiful.
Do you want to be in the camera?
Te voy a preparar tu baño, ya te vas a bañar.
Okay, my mom speaks Spanish. Ah! 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 I'm about to say my mom speaks Spanish and English, but he speaks English a little bit, but he speaks more Spanish.
I speak English too.
Yeah, you speak English a little bit. Mama, you're in the camera. You're in the video. Say hi.
No, honey. No, honey.
Ah, I can send it on YouTube. Okay. Okay, I will do it later. Mama don't want to be the camera. I think he don't like it. I have no idea. Why? You shouldn't wear new fancy clothes, but we're poor. Very poor. We're not rich. I'm gonna wait. I just saw like a dragonfly, something. Look, dragonfly! Dragonfly! This is my first time checking out. I think this is my third time. What is it? I just saw a dragonfly can light up. We need light. We need light. Anyways, show us the biggest, goodest firework. So, I can see fireworks far away. So, hello! Do you guys hear that? Is this me or someone say hello to me? You didn't hear it, so turn on the volume and go back. Firework! I just say hello and then he said hello back. Ooh, fire! That is the biggest firework. Wee! Oh, the smoke. No smoking. Smoke is bad for you, man. I wish you'd see the big splash fireworks thing. So what's next? I'm gonna go over here a bit more. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Again! Por favor, please, por favor. I'm about to leave. 3, 2, 1, bye. I'm joking. Bro, did I got you? Screen say yes. Not the camera. Not you guys, the camera. Anyways, the other people outside in real life. Whoa, okay. Ah! Another one. Ah! It's a bit. I think I'm gonna make a part 2. See you, bye.